I'm Priyanka from Intrazo. This time we are at Rivera Gateway Community in Hyderabad. We have done 3 BHK flat interiors of 2050 square feet. My client name is Mr. Anand and Mrs. Rama Devi. We'll start from drawing room. In drawing room, we have designed drawers which is of laminate finish, where we have used Hafele normal drawer channels with bottom opening. Below the drawers, we have given profile lights, and for the wall, we have designed wall trims with circular bronze mirror. For ceiling, we have designed laminate finish rafters with spotlight. For passage area towards living and dining, we have designed false ceiling. On that, we have used Philips focus lights. In crockery unit, we have designed crockery base unit and tall unit with the color combination of white and wooden laminate finish. For crockery base unit, we have given push to open shutters. Next to that, we have given hectic push to open drawer channels. For crockery tall unit, we have used aluminum black profile shutters with spotlights. In living and dining area, we have designed a TV unit, where TV base unit with Hafele normal drawer channels. Next to that, we have given black aluminum profile shutters. And then for wall, we have designed wall trims with bronze mirror. In puja unit, for doors, we have used wooden frame with clear glass. On that, we have used stickering of white and yellow color combination. Inside the puja unit, we have designed puja storage unit with hectic push to open drawer channels. Below that, we have given shutters. On top of that, we have used Kalinga quartz. For wall, we have designed CNC with yellow lacquered glass with cove lights. We have designed false ceiling, where we have used Philips focus light and cove lights. In kitchen, we have designed kitchen base unit and wall unit which is of acrylic finish. In kitchen base unit, we have given a normal shutters which is soft close. Along with that, we have given Blum tandem box with weight capacity of 30 kg. Next to that, we have given Blum bottle pull out. Next to that, we have given shutters with shelves. We have used Kalinga quartz slab and dado. And for sink, we have used Carousel. And appliances is from Hafele hob and chimney. So for wall unit, we have used a color combination of white, which is of acrylic finish, and wooden, which is of laminate finish, with open box. Next to chimney, we have used hydraulic pump from Hafele, and on top of that we have used Blum Advanced Lift Up HKS, and another cabinet for water purifier. In wall unit, we have given spotlights. Above that, we have designed pelmet to hide the chimney pipe. We have given a tall unit for built-in microwave and oven. Both appliances are from Hafele. Below that, we have given a tandem box. On top of that, it's a push to open shutter for storage. And for base unit, we have given tandem box from Blum, and for wall unit, we have given hydraulic pump from Hafele. On top of that, we have given HKS Advanced Lift Up from Blum. Next to that, we have given pantry unit with 5 tandem box with wooden front. So overall weight capacity will be 150 kg. In kids bedroom, we have designed study base unit and study wall unit. For study base unit, we have given 2 drawers where we have used Hafele normal drawer channels, and for wall unit, we have given push to open shutters. On top of that, we have given a common loft for study and for wardrobe. And for wardrobe, we have given folding sliding from Hafele with normal drawer channels from Hafele and with shelves. We have designed queen size cot with storage and with headboard where we have used fox leather. Next to that, we have given drawers. For ceiling, we have designed a false ceiling with lights. In guest bedroom, we have designed study unit where we have given a study base unit with drawers where we have used Hafele normal drawer channels, and we have given study wall unit with open box and closed shutters with a knob. Along with that, we have given a loft. So for wall unit, we have given profile light. Next to that, we have given a sliding wardrobe where we have used Hetic Topline 22 soft close channel. For internal section, we have given a shelves with drawers where we have used Hafele normal drawer channels, and in the bottom we have given Epco tandem box. And for shutter, we have used lacquered glass with champagne color T profile. On top of that, we have given a loft. We have designed queen size cot with storage along with headboard where we have used fox leather. Next to that, we have given drawers with black glass top, out of which one you can use as a dresser also, where we have designed with wall paneling which is of laminate finish and black T profile with mirror. On top of that, we have designed a ledge with spotlights, and as a decor we have given wallpaper from D Decor. In master bedroom, we have designed floor to ceiling lacquered glass wardrobe from Aristo, which is a soft close and normal open, where we have given a normal drawer channels from Hafele and with tandem box from Epco. In wardrobe, we have used brown tinted mirror with offset etching lines C-type from Aristo. Next to lacquered glass wardrobe, we have designed a dressing unit with drawers by using Hafele normal drawer channels and mirror. Behind the mirror, we have given a storage, and we have followed the same theme with paneling which is of laminate finish, and we have used spotlight on that. We have designed king size cot with a storage, and on headboard we have given a fox leather. Both the side we have given chest of drawers. For wall decor, we have designed wall paneling which is of laminate finish. Next to that, we have given a laminate finish grey color paneling while using bronze mirror. For entire house, we have used green panel ply. For kitchen base unit, we have used volume waterproof, which gives you guarantee of 21 years, and remaining part we have used moisture resistance ply, which gives you 7 years of guarantee. I want to thank my in-house team of designers and carpenters for such a wonderful designs and execution, and special thanks to my viewers for watching our video. We'll see you again with a new video from Intrazo, a cut above.